Hi guys, this is Catherine with The Perfect Place to Start. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am starting my Thrifted Thursdays and I have 2 farmhouse decor flips for you, so let's jump in. So one thing that I find a lot at thrift stores and garage sales is wood signs and wood items. People tend to get rid of their home decor, often thinking that someone might just want to pick it up for what it looks like. But when you're DIYing, you can always change things up, and that's the really fun part about that. So this piece came from a garage sale, and it was originally $11.99, and I paid $2 for it. And then I'm going to use this bicycle piece that I picked up at the Dollar General. If you missed my Dollar General Dollar Tree haul, I will put that up here in the cards. But we're going to start by just using some white Waverly chalk paint, and I'm going to cover this whole sign with the white Waverly chalk paint. Now, this step is kind of optional because we're using contact paper. I just wasn't sure if the contact paper was going to show through, and I just decided to go ahead and paint. So this contact paper came from Walmart. It is the Pioneer Woman contact paper. I did another project, an actual flip with this contact paper as well. I'll link that here up in the cards and in my description box, but I made a boot tray using the same contact paper. So all I'm doing is I'm laying it down, flattening it out, and smoothing it as I go along. So one tip there, if you shy away from contact paper, is that you just need to kind of go in little pieces with it. Don't take the back off all the way, because sometimes that's when you have problems and it gets kind of sticky and messed up. So after I get it on there, I do have a couple little pieces like down in the bottom of the sign that you can see is missing some of the contact paper. I do go ahead and go back and fill in some little pieces with that, but I'm using my white Waverly chalk paint and I'm going over the sides so that they blend in together. And then I decided that I just really wanted to dry brush the whole thing, so I took my paint and I just went over the whole thing so it blends in with the sign and it gives it a distressed look. So I took that bicycle piece outside and sprayed it with my Rusolum White spray paint that has primer. It took 2 coats, and then I also put in these little hooks that come from one of those picture frame holders from the Dollar Tree. I had my husband screw those in for me, and then I'm ready to glue on my bicycle. So I'm just using hot glue, putting it in various places and attaching it to the sign. So I am filling in the little holes where the hanger was and the welcome sign with some hot glue, and then I just go back over that with my white Waverly chalk paint. I am going to use the welcome sign that came with the bicycle. I'm going to hang it down where the hooks are. So next I'm going to take some paint and I'm going to paint the flowers and the leaves that are on the top of the bicycle, and I will list all of the supplies down in my description box in case you want to check out the actual colors that I used. And then I just kind of paint it all on there, and I do go over it with some white Waverly chalk paint in the end. I promise I don't show all of my painting here. I just want you to see basically that I had different colors here, and then I go ahead and use the cashew in the middle of the flower, and then I kind of dry brush over the whole thing. And then I do go ahead and attach the welcome sign at the bottom using the chains that came with the welcome sign. And then once I have that all finished, then this project is complete.
It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my call.
today's video is part of a new series I have going on my channel called Thrifted Thursdays, and today I am collabing with Home with Rebecca Jane. If you've never been to her channel, she does really awesome DIYs, and she's very creative and just very funny and an all-around genuinely good person. So make sure you go down to the description box and click on her channel so you can see what she created today for Thrifted Thursday. So something else I see all the time at thrift stores and garage sales is baskets. I absolutely love baskets. If you've been following me for a while, you know that. But I have found some really high-end looking baskets for a fraction of the price that you would pay anywhere else. So the most expensive basket in this little grouping probably costs $3, but there are so many things that you can do with baskets as far as organization and DIYs, and so I definitely recommend you pick up that as you're thrifting this season. So this is one of those baskets that I picked up during one of my hauls, and I will post my last garage sale haul here in the cards, but I took it outside and I spray painted it with my Krylon color match spray paint that I picked up at Lowe's. It is, I just love the color, it's very summery. And then I'm taking my white Waverly chalk paint and I'm just going to distress this entire basket with the white Waverly chalk paint. I picked up this bicycle wood cutout over at Hobby Lobby. I believe it was $1.49, and I'm just going to cover it with some white Waverly chalk paint, and then I'm ready to attach it to my basket. Here's the basket all distressed with my white Waverly chalk paint, and I'm going to just go ahead and hot glue my bicycle onto the basket. I go ahead and add an arrangement that I made in a previous DIY, and I'll link that here in the cards if you want to check out how I made the arrangement. But once I have this all glued on, then this project is complete.
Looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the projects. Let me know down in the comments. Are you a thrifter? Do you love thrift stores, garage sales? I am definitely a garage sale girl. I love to do that in the summertime, and it's warming up here, so I'm getting super excited for that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're loving this content, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button and became a part of my YouTube family. As always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you guys in the next video.
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm